I wanna know.
Not the tofu.
Not the
You
two
have to
food.
first ready for what you want. Like when you find the time I'm not ready to take up my picture, I want to talk to me if you talk. And that time everywhere me go, you come look for me and say if me ready. You catch me outside and me hand. So me talk. You may not see me again.
Huh?
And that done.
Okay. I think you get your film. Explain the relationship between reggae music and Rastafari, or music and Rastafari.
And Rastafari bring all the music in there, I can't find it. And how you want to see it? You understand? Because the way how you see it. Because Rastafari are true. So when you put it on sounding system, that's how you want to play. And Rastafari can't change. You see what I say? So you want to drum and beat. And then put it on flat screen and you understand me? But Rastafari can't change, no, sir. Reggae can't change Rasta. And Rasta bring
Tomorrow
reggae.
people.
And Rastafari bring reggae.
So you can share any wisdom on maintaining Rastafari within oneself that you've learned over the 100 and
You maintain Rastafari, then the way you would have think you have to maintain it. The most truth are right. Cleansing of the truth. As we tell us, the whole of the moon is supposed to bright shine. So there's left by you as a young moon now. So try to keep everything that's when you come, the whole of your shine. But keep no bad mind. Eat right, drink right, think right, exercise.
Sleep right.
Bathe, sleep, think good. Nobody think what our people have and what you don't have. You give thanks to what you have. And you will provide for you at all times. Because if we're in sheep and pastor, why worry? Why worry when you can pray?
so
That's seeking, man.
from an empress point of view, how you vision the future? The Rastafari.
In future, it must be bright and ever bright. From Rastafari live to that fullness of that light. Yes, sir? There's no other way. Enjoy. There's no other way. If I want to live clean and pure,
Live clean
live
and
up.
pure.